Hey everybody, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin'. This is my results video of how I did at my auction with all of my Star Wars stuff. So I'm going to give you all of the numbers of what it finally averaged out to and how much I expect to get. I will show you a screenshot from my listing app that I use called Inventory Lab, and that'll give you all the details and I'll explain what they mean. So here's my screenshot of my inventory lab. And the first number that I'm going to go over is how many SKUs I have, which means how many individual types of items, not how many total items, but how many individual types of items. So in this Star Wars lot, I was able to, of all my auction items, list 44 separate items. Now that I've told you I have 44 SKUs, I actually had multiples of several items, so the amount I have in total is 81 total separate items. So the next number we're going to look at is the average sales rank. It takes into consideration those 81 items in this batch, and our average sales rank is 376,527, which is a phenomenal number since how most of these are toys. Those are fantastic sales rank numbers for these toys, which means some of them were less than 300,000 and some were higher than 300,000. Okay, here we get into the nitty-gritty numbers that you really want to know about. So my total buy cost at the auction was $488.60. I know in my previous videos I said $488.50, but I throw in an extra few cents here and there just to, it's gas money and extra expenses for tape and things like that. So $488.60 is what it cost me. Now, Inventory Lab is a great tool to use because it takes into consideration all the Amazon fees and what it's going to cost you average-wise to ship it into the warehouse. Drum roll, please. So our total net profit, taking out the $488.60 I paid, taking out the Amazon fees, and taking out what the estimated cost of me shipping it to the warehouse is, my total in-pocket net profit will be $2,248.80. Now, I will have to fight with some people on the buy box, so I usually chop that in half. And the reason for that is because some of my items I may keep there a little bit longer and have to pay storage fees. And some of my other items I'll have to lower the price slightly just to fight and be the first one for the buy box. Buy box simply means yours is the first one that pops up under that particular listing. And so even if I chopped this net profit in half, which I think I'm even going to make more than this, I will make a total of $1,124.40. Not too shabby for spending 3 hours at an auction and spending about 4 hours listing and cleaning the items. So auctions are a great place to list. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love it if you would subscribe, comment below, watch some of my other videos, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.